Feeling frustrated trying to load your Cash App card at an ATM? Unfortunately, directly loading funds onto your Cash App card at an ATM isn't a feature Cash App currently supports, making it essential to explore alternative methods to keep your balance topped up. So let's dive into how you can add money to your Cash App. First, open your Cash App and tap on the Banking tab. It's the icon that looks like a little bank or building at the bottom left of your screen. There, tap the Add Cash button. Now, select the amount you want to add to your Cash App balance. They range from $25 to $500, or you can hit the to enter the amount you want. Next, review your selection and confirm the transaction using your Touch ID, Face ID, or Cash App PIN. This method directly transfers funds from your linked bank account to your Cash App balance, which you can then use with your Cash App card if you don't have a bank account linked. Cash App will prompt you to add one or a debit card. Another convenient option is to have a friend or family member send you money through Cash App. It's quick, easy, and the funds become immediately available in your balance. So while you can't load cash directly onto your card at an ATM, using these methods effectively ensures you can still enjoy all the benefits of your Cash App card for purchases and transactions. Now you can go back to enjoying the convenience that Cash App offers.